Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this VW remote key fob. The battery is situated behind this cover here, so we need to gain access to it to get it replaced. So first thing we do is we need to remove the emergency key fob blade, which is here, just out the bottom of the fob. So you press this little silver button here and the blade will slide out of the bottom. Now what we need to do is we just need to get a little screwdriver and then just back in the hole there, pop the tip of the blade in and poke upwards and it releases the cover. And there is your key fob battery. Just get your little screwdriver again, get underneath the battery, and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards, and this particular one, and you know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. Pop the case and you make sure it's all lined up, and we just click it back in place. And we just pop the blade back in. And there you go. It's all done.